Yeah, baby, here we go. Let's talk about categories and posts. Welcome back. Andy Brown, never too old to start. This is another Kajabi tutorial. Now, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how the mini course that comes as an automatic template with Kajabi that we're using to create my course, I'm calling it My First Amazing Course Online. I'm going to show you how it's organized into categories and posts. Explain what those are. Then I'm going to show you how to create another category and more posts. The categories and posts are where you're going to upload your videos for your course in your particular tutorial. So the first thing I need you to do is open up your Kajabi account. So you're in your Kajabi account. Click on products, all products. My First Amazing Course Online. I told you I was going to explain what categories and posts are. So the category is the higher level. This is a category. In fact, if I want to take a look at it, category details, I can change it around. I can put another poster image in it, which we're going to do that next. Don't worry about that right now. I can put a description in it. Right now, everything is on draft. And you'll see under the contents that those are the 5 line items that came with the Kajabi template. Those are posts. It's just what Kajabi calls them. I'm going to click the back button and let's take a look at the first post. Welcome aboard. This is where you're eventually going to be uploading your video. You'll put a nice explanation in there of what it is, another image. And it's kind of nice because Kajabi's already given us a beautiful course template. But what if you have more than one category or post? So it's so simple. Watch this. Add a post. Oh my gosh. And there it is. Check this out. Do you want it in a different order? Watch this. See the little hand? Oh man, I just can't believe how simple Kajabi's made this. How about this? We want to have some other categories. So we create category. It is the main thing, baby. There's your new category. You want to we'll add a post. Post 1. How about this? We're going to add and maybe one more post. We're going to call this post number awesome. That is how simple it is. And then how about this one? We add another category. And we're going to call it next steps. This is call to action. Beautiful. There we go. And we'll add another post. And that is all it is. And that is all there is to it. I promised you it was going to be easy, and I'm going to make it easy. So practice that. Make sure you subscribe. That's how you're going to know when I have new videos coming out. Remember, tell your friends, because I've got a ton of videos and help coming your way. I am going to show you a whole bunch of ways to make an easy extra 6 figures a year in income on the internet during retirement, so we can relax and enjoy life, not worry about paying bills. Remember, it's just that easy. It's never too late, and it's never too old to start.